Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Sakawai pat kaseng-seng perthai kata ke Nationalist Congress Party hene kasngi ka arpu atrik rempang kala pelat pet ba ikimat Treikam manifesto na ka Bynta ka election MLA R1000 khat pra ya kita gi jutang election ki badan arpu itli kimat la pelat do Vijay Raj ubre working president ha ka jinga kendo kinong thok kubor poka office Treikam jong kani hi kaseng ke NCP ha kani kamat Treikam kala kular bakan ya khun persya ka bamsap bampong kan wanra ya ka roi kapar ha kisnong githau da ka pen Treikam hok ya ki MLA scheme kan pejru na ka Bynta ka Pyllait puthi ka kot ka khya bat ka kular ru ban kan teu ka rep kriang da ka basna shu ya ki yo ki hat na ka Bynta ka jingmun toy kinong rep nang ta ban kan teu ya ka kam jingok kai perthai bat ka NCP kan pej kerpang na ka Bynta ka jing e chung kinong thok khobor po ka jila Meghalaya da lor kiwei de kimat.
We have covered around 21 topics and which includes miscellaneous also there are few, so it will come to more than I think 30 which we are covering. Anti-corruption, local area development fund of MLAs, then education, health, power/energy, connectivity, agriculture, scientific coal mining, animal resource development, border areas, sports and youth affairs, employment, environment, tourism, and this time we have also brought media into it, then industry, urban development, traditional institutions, planning, conflict resolution, and the miscellaneous food security, drinking water, electricity, PDS, then to curb the price rise, providing job and social security for our Anganwadi workers, rural health workers and midday meal workers by recognizing them as government employees. Comprehensive housing scheme, and last of it, the NCP will not impose any restriction on the food habit, religious custom and culture of any section of the society. We have tried our level best to cover all aspects, and we have introduced a new concept this time, that whatever we are planning or whatever we have in our mind, we have given the methodology also of how we are going to implement that, so that only promises will not be enough. We have to tell the people how we are going to achieve that. So this is what our manifesto is for.